What do winners do that losers fail to do?
That's an interesting question. I think if you look at our winners in general, you can see that they know how to manage risk effectively, so they don't use excessive leverage. And they have always enough capital in their account to ensure that if something goes in the market which is not in their favor, they have enough capital in order to protect against it. And it's a lot about psychology, so you can see that they remain calm even if something doesn't go their way, and they control both fear and greed.
Are there any common habits that profitable traders have?
I think one of the common habits that we see is planning in advance, having a game plan. So traders who have a solid game plan in advance and a pre-decided strategy, and then they execute that strategy without deviating from the game plan, we consider them more successful over the long run rather than clients who act more emotionally when trading the markets.
How can a trader improve their trading skills?
There are a lot of ways. I think first and foremost is reading. So you need to find different resources and learn about the markets and how to trade the markets. You need to understand them, so you need to read the financial and economical news. You need to be aware of what's happening, so you always are on top of what's coming up, so like an economic calendar, so you won't get caught off guard. Then there's building your system, understanding that there is a system, and then backtest your own system and see if your theory actually works in practice. If your theory doesn't work, then you should abandon it. Only if you find a system that actually works over time, then that is something that you can try and use going forward. Yet past performance is no indication for the future, and that's important to remember. Something that has worked in the past, there is no guarantee to work in the future. Yet if something didn't work in the past, it is less likely to work in the future. So it's not a direct indication, but it does give you some guidance into the viability of your plan. Then the next part is to record your trading. Every time you trade, keep a log and explain to yourself, why did you enter that trade when you entered it? Why did you exit it when you exited? And then go ahead and read your notes in retrospective, analyze your trades post the activity, and try to learn from your mistakes. Becoming a better trader is an iterative process of improvement and self-discipline.